Comparing India's maternal mortality ratio, that is MMR, to Nigeria is unfair, the Union Health Ministry said on Wednesday while reacting to the recently released United Nations Maternal Mortality Estimation Interagency Group, that is MMEIG report titled that Trends in Maternal Mortality 2000 to 2023, which has indicated that India has made significant strides in reducing MMR, but it is registered 19,000 maternal deaths in 2023, contributing almost 7.2% to global mortality. The biggest contributor was Nigeria, that is 28.7%, followed by India and the Democratic Republic of Congo, that is 7.2%, and then Pakistan, that is 4.1%. The comparison is not entirely fair when considering the total population of the two countries, that is Nigeria, which population is 23.26 crore, and India, that's population is 145, that is 145 crore, said the health ministry in the statement. Also, India has made significant strides in reducing MMR, going from 103 per lakh live births to 80 per lakh live births. Also, the MMR of the India has now declined by 86% compared to the global reduction of the 48% over the past 33 years from 1990 to 2023. Also, all the numbers of the estimated maternal deaths in India have also reduced from 24,000 to 19,000, states the report. Also, however, India is still contributing 7.2%, that is 19,000 of the total maternal death worldwide, also ranking the second just to Nigeria, which has 75,000 maternal deaths, it added. Also, MMEIG comprises World Health Organization, the United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF, the United Nations Population Fund, that is UNFPA, the World Bank Group, and the United Nations Department of the Economic, Social Affairs and the Population Division, that is UNDESA, the Population Division, and the collaboration with the technical experts. They developed global, regional, and the country level maternal mortality estimates for the period of 2000 to 2023. Maternal mortality rate is defined by the WHO as the death of a woman while pregnant or within 42 days of termination of pregnancy from any cause related to or aggravated by the pregnancy or its management, but not from accidental or other causes. It's a crucial metric to track the progress of the maternal health and identify area for improvement in the healthcare system. Also, the report added that every day in 2023, over 700 women died from preventable cause related to the pregnancy and childbirth, meaning that approximately one woman is dying every 2 minutes.